Let's quickly cut across live now to Ghaziabad, where Gaurav Sawant now joins us. Gaurav, take us through the polling percentage at this moment, and also what do people make of the contest, the triangular contest, and also that dark horse you were talking about from the BSP?
Large number of voters here. We are in an urban constituency and you have a lot of first time voters, these young girls here, first time voters, and you have a veteran on the other side. He's 87 years old. He's got an injury in his foot, yet he's come out to vote. This young lady here, she's got a fracture in her leg and yet she's out here to vote. They're braving the summer sun and they're out to vote. Let me ask them, you are 87 years old and in this hot sun you've stood in the queue for about an hour. Why are you here?
Because it's my national duty.
Okay.
And I must perform my duty, whatever is possible for me. I don't want to miss anything.
Okay, so there is a change of heart. You see, people are changing. You've got a fracture in your foot. You again stood here in this queue. Why?
Because if today I do not vote, I do not have any reason to crib later on if I'm not happy with the government.
Okay, what are issues for you? Would you like to just step forward? I'm sorry you've got a fracture in your leg, but tell me what are issues for you that bring you to the polling station?
I think today, being a salaried person, the biggest issue I face is inflation and high prices, and I cannot live a lifestyle which I want to. So that is the reason I'm voting for a change.
Okay, so a better lifestyle is what brings Bhumika to the polling station despite a fracture. Two young girls here, first time voters I believe.
No, I'm second.
Okay, you are second time, you are first time. What brings you, just look at our cameras and tell our viewers what brings you to the polling station. First time voter, why aren't you having a good day, chutti, maybe watch a movie?
I think being in the new generation, I want my vote to be counted. So I think I can make a difference by voting, even if it's for the first time. I want to vote.
Okay, what about you?
Yeah, for the second time, and I'm very excited to vote, and I wanted my vote to be counted, so I am here.
Okay, there is a controversy that all of us are talking about. Narendra Modi, the prime ministerial candidate, so far Bhumika, in his form, as candidate, whether married or not, he left it as blank. This is the first time he's written, I am married. Was he misleading the nation? Does it make, as a voter, does it make a difference to you whether it's married or unmarried or whatever else?
It doesn't matter to me. In fact, I've stayed in Gujarat for a while, and I think it has been a superb experience as far as safety and security is concerned. Doesn't matter to me whether he's married or unmarried till the time he's delivering results.
Okay. Okay, let me ask the young voters the same question. You're a woman. Would you trust a man who doesn't perhaps acknowledge his wife or accept his wife, even though he says or people close to him say it was a child marriage?
No, I don't have any issue regarding his marital status unless he proves himself and he lives up to our expectations. I don't have any other problem with him.
What about you?
The same thing. I don't have any problem if he hasn't mentioned his status also, so it doesn't matter.
Is that his personal business?
I don't think so.
Obviously, yes, it's his personal business. We should not bother about it.
Okay, just look at our cameras here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we are not here to interfere in anyone's life, so
Okay.
I don't think.
Okay, so it is their personal life, it is their personal matter. There's another senior citizen. Why don't you come join us? You have an issue. You wanted to talk.
Perhaps just a minute.
Okay.
This is a social. आप अगर हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं तो मैं आपको कोई बात
मैं एक मिनट इनसे बात कर जी जी.
First, I will give you my own reference.
No, just tell me you have an issue. No, sir.
See, I have been deprived to cast my vote. See, I have registered my name online on 24th February to get my name registered in the voter list. So I have been deprived. Rather, I am one of the oldest citizens of this area since 1982. I was previously earlier in Chandarnagar.
Yes.
I have got this card. This card have been not taken and converted into this present age.
There is, yes, and
Okay,
you're not the
okay.
only one who has this problem, Sanket.
Just listen to me. I have been deprived.
Yes.
See, there are 3 floors in this very house.
Yes.
Look at this camera and put the focus on it.
No, I completely appreciate your point, sir. There are several people. There are several people who are really unhappy, Sanket, that they weren't given a chance to vote, and that shows the voter enthusiasm. People have come out in large numbers. Several, like this gentleman, disappointed that they were unable to vote because their name wasn't on the voter list.
I have already registered
Absolutely, Gaurav, and it will be only too interesting to see what actually will be the voting percentage. It's phenomenally high as far as the whole of country is concerned in 91 constituencies.